Hey, my name is Luke Daning. I am a dentist in Linwood, Washington. I went to the University of Michigan for dental school, and I've been practicing for 7 years, and I'm a general dentist. All right, well, here's my office. Behind the camera, we have my lovely wife and hygienist, Gina. Got our sterilization area, pretty intimate office, just have 4 operatories, pretty spacious. If it weren't dark outside right now, you would see a nice view of the mountains and of the mostly gray skies since we're in Seattle. What's the question?
What do you love about what you do?
Oh, well, what I love most about what I do is just the day-to-day interactions with my patients. I like that being a dentist, I get to work with my hands, do things that are creative, we're practicing medicine, pharmacology, materials, engineering. There's just so much that goes into it, and my real passion is preventive care, and in particular working with people with TMJ dysfunction and just chronic pain of their jaw joints.
Why are we the coolest? First TV stars.
I'm too humble to answer that question, but if I were per se to answer that question, I'd say we're the coolest because A, we live in Seattle, and Seattle's the best city in the U.S. B, because when we're not practicing dentistry, we are exploring everywhere in the mountains. And if this computer were turned on, you would be able to see a bunch of the images of us climbing mountains, skiing mountains, rappelling off mountains, everything. But yeah, we're the best worst office because we're the best people in general. Yeah, if you have any questions about burst, general dentistry, or TMJ, just give me a shout. I'm here for you.
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Andrea Hoke, and I am one of your Burst 2020 TV stars. I am the proud owner of Hoke Family Dentistry in Narrows, Virginia. I recently acquired the practice in September of 2019, so this is a fairly new venture for me that I'm very excited to share with everyone. I started with Burst actually when the company first started, so I have been a proud supporter since the very beginning. I love the products that I can offer to my patients. My colleagues and my employees are enjoying using these products as well. So definitely excited to be part of this Burst TV experience. In my spare time when I'm not at the office, I currently spend time with my husband and our 2 Yorkies with the names Opal and Ruby. They are also our office dogs, which you probably hear playing in the background, that our patients totally get to enjoy during their visits as well. And other than that, I spend time with the rest of my family. I have a much younger brother, so I'm always into his activities and things like that as well. We are going to introduce you to
Natasha. I am the front office coordinator. I'm new to Burst, but for what I've seen so far, it's an amazing product. All the patients love it.
Hello, Tammy. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Tammy Dowdy. I'm one of the dental hygienists at Hoke Family Dentistry. I believe in the value and the good quality of the Burst oral toothbrush. I like the fact that you can auto ship your heads every 3 months. It makes it convenient with having a family and being busy working, and you don't have to go to the store to buy your replacement heads. We recommend them to all of our patients because they help decrease the chances of abrasion and recession on their teeth, and it's a fabulous product.
I'm Lori Hicks. I'm a dental hygienist here for Dr. Hoke. I've been a hygienist for 24 years. I recommend Burst to my patients. It's a great toothbrush. It's good quality. It's very affordable. It has a 2-minute timer, and everyone that has ordered it loves it.
Hi, my name is Amanda Roberts, and I'm Dr. Hoke's assistant. I love Burst because I think it's very affordable and the quality is wonderful, and you really don't have to sell this product. It sells itself. I was a spin brush person, and Dr. Hoke swore that I would love it, so I took the test, and my teeth have never felt better. So I trashed my spin brush, and now I'm a Burst lover. So
We actually have Burst toothbrushes in black and white that are in stock here at the office that patients can purchase. We also have the Burst white strips in stock in the office as well. So patients like the convenience of being able to buy in office and getting to experience the Burst experience much quicker. We also each have our own promotional codes. My code is the main one that's used in the office. However, I do have 2 hygienists that have their separate codes and have the ability to send out their codes as well.
Welcome to Hoke Family Dentistry. We look forward to being your Burst TV stars in 2020. Woo!